Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with Rodney.
Hello.
Yeah, we're gonna try to repair his back glass window in his soft top. It came undone in some of the corners and we're gonna apply some glue and use some magnets. So I'm gonna show you what we're doing. That's what I did in Patty. It worked really well. I did it like a year ago and it's still holding on. So let's have a look at that. Alright guys, so I'm gonna use this glue. It's a super glue Loctite. It might not be for fabric, but again, I used it in Patty. It worked really well. And these are the magnets. Cruz used them too in his TT Darth. A couple of magnets, so we're gonna use that to make sure that this doesn't come undone again. So this is the damage here, you can see. And then in the other corner, right, Rodney?
Yep.
Yeah, so it's not really much. So that should be an easy job. Let's see. All right, so we applied the glue on the other side. It worked well, and now you can see Rodney is putting the magnet inside. And then all you have to do is leave it there a few minutes after you put the glue, and it works like magic. And it's great. And then we'll do the sides here. So I think that side might come undone, so we're gonna do that. All right, we're doing now the edge of it. This was easier than I thought. Honestly, guys, if you're gonna do this, this is the way to go. Get a couple of magnets, some good glue, and that's all you need, really. Rodney, the car is looking great. Let me look at the pots, because there's another video where people saw the installation of that. Look at how great it looks. That's going into Patty soon. Hopefully I will get it in the next few weeks, and then we'll do another installation video. But yeah, great stuff. So I'll take a short video of the properly glued glass, and I think that will be it. All right guys, so this is well glued now. There's no way that water can get in there. Let me show you the other side. Came out better than expected, and we did it, what, Rodney, what took us like, what, 15 minutes?
Yeah, and most of that was talking.
Yeah, you're right. So yeah, if it comes undone a little bit, you put more glue and then you'll be set. So yeah, remember to subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Take care.